What is import and export? A beginner's complete guide. Meta title: What is import and export? A beginner's complete guide, 2026. Meta description: Learn what import and export mean, how international trade works, its benefits, challenges, and the steps to start an import-export business. What is import and export? A beginner's complete guide. International trade has connected countries for centuries, allowing businesses to buy and sell products across borders. Whether it's smartphones manufactured in Asia, coffee imported from South America, or textiles exported from Pakistan, import and export play a vital role in the global economy. If you're new to international trade, this beginner's guide will explain everything you need to know about imports and exports in simple language. What is import? Import is the process of purchasing goods or services from another country and bringing them into your own country for sale or use. Example: a company in Pakistan imports laptops from China to sell them in local markets. Other examples include importing electronics from China, importing machinery from Germany, importing crude oil from Saudi Arabia, importing coffee from Brazil. Imports help countries access products that are unavailable, expensive, or difficult to produce domestically. What is export? Export is the process of selling goods or services produced in one country to customers in another country. Example: a textile manufacturer in Pakistan exports bed sheets to the United States. Common export products include textiles and garments, sports goods, rice, surgical instruments, leather products, fruits and vegetables. Exports generate foreign exchange and help businesses expand into international markets. Difference between import and export. Import-export: buying goods from another country, selling goods to another country. Goods enter your country, goods leave your country. Money flows out, money flows into the country. Increases product availability, generates revenue and foreign exchange.